Where's suspension change? Where the connector change? It broke, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Did it break off in there? What you gotta do to change it, huh?
Take it out here. Next, once you deflate the system, take it out of here, like that. Take a new one, reverse the process. You might want to install your valve while you got it out. It's a lot easier. You got a broken one right here, so I gotta get that out. And once you install the new one, just go right back in like this. Go down in here. Open it down. Heat it. Rubber boot goes on top. Switch this out. Put this in. Oh. Go right back on it like this.
Take the old rubbers off. But you got new ones in your connector. There's something in there.
Alright. I didn't get one off. I was just looking for it. That don't snap in here.